Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sunny D's channel for another long video. So, we see that Greg is going on a road trip. Let's see about it. Diary of a Vampire Kid, long haul. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and watch all the videos. It might be entertaining to you because these days I'm doing Diary of a Vampire Kid and we soon reach Diary of a Vampire Kid deep end. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Diary of a Vampire Kid, long haul. Did you know what they did in this? They go on a road trip. And it was a mysterious road trip because so many things happened. Like always, any book of Diary of a Vampire Kid, there must be one trouble with the Heffley's family, right? Yes. In this book, you'll know what the things happened. Did you know in this book what trouble did Diary of a Vampire Kid Greg do? One time, they are going on a road trip, so they can't only sleep in the car. Or can they? They didn't sleep in the car. They hit the road, and when they were going, it was night. Where should they sleep? Like when you go on trips, you see something like places to sleep or do something, right? Means like I meant a hotel. So they stayed there. Did you know what that hotel was like? So creepy walls, and the walls were barely open. All the mud was sinking from there, and so much dirt. The bed is not clean. The floor is so rough that you can't even walk. Did you know the Heffleys tried so much to make the room shinier? But why? They are just sleeping for there. They are not like the workers there. So why do they need to do that? But why do that? So much dust. Can anyone sleep with that? And did you know there was only one bed and they handled it. There are 5 family members and they handled it. I think 5 family members. You gotta order it. This Diary of a Vampire Kid long haul book in the description link. I'll give you the Diary of a Vampire Kid whole set and the long haul is with it. You can buy with it. So, are you curious what happens? Can you see here? Greg is so much struggling with all the stuff. Do you see this big bag? And Greg can handle that. Oh my god. See, in the last page, Greg is there. And there are so many food items. Guys, there. And in the car, they would drive home. So, where they were going, that was a Spanish place like. Road trip means, what can I tell you? Road trip means you sit in the car all day, do fun in it, no going anywhere, hotels. They didn't make it. So, let me tell you one more curious thing. One time, when they got to the hotel, the second day, everyone got adjusted. So Roderick took one of the sofa's pillows there. Sofa's pillows, right? They have, right? So Roderick, how he slept was, he kept one pillow. And he slept in that pillows. And he was one step ahead of Greg. Because Greg was also thinking that. He didn't think that. But Roderick was very clever. In the whole big bed, Manny, Susan and Frank slept. And did you know where Greg slept? It is a bad place. Because there was a place where Greg slept there was a microwave, and down that there was a bathrobe. So there was a towel over there. He lied over there and slept in that only. So when he woke up with some noises, first time when they got there, they wanted to swim in the pool. And when they swam in the pool, there was no pool actually, because in the pool, no lifeguards, no water. What is that? they thought that there had been no water for 5 years. So they went to the hot tub. In the hot tub, families were there. And in the hot tub, I read something called 15 minutes. Only get the hot tub usage for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, so what should I tell now? Because the family that was staying there, they were making noises. There were 3 children. Okay, and they had a big family, a mother and a father. So when the children were rushing through the hallways, throwing the spoons, food away like that, food fight it became. So Greg was disturbed with the noise, so he told the children that we are big, so we can talk anything we want and get out of here. We are living here. What if something trouble happens? He was so confused with that noise, he barely shouted at the children. Is that even fair? They shouldn't do like that, do they? So the children got really upset and went to their father. His father was a big man, and I'm going to show you his picture. Do you want to see? And this is arriving the picture. Did you look at it? This is the man. See, he's with Greg. Why? Because I think he's only the villain. This is only the trouble that happens in Diary of Wimpy Kid Long Haul. I knew it. Yes. So what revenge does he take on Greg's family for doing that? You gotta order it to see. Next I'm going to tell you is really curious. You'll be curious, shocked, everything, because this is the last thing. But I'm going to tell you 2 last things. Greg's family gets a pig. Are you shocked? No, right? You think that I'm lying? No. It's serious. Greg's family is getting a pig. It's like, I want to ask you, have you ever gotten a pet pig? No, right? Comment below if it's a no. Means I'll get 100 no's and 0 yeses, right? But Greg's family is doing that. Will they live lifelong? Will they send to a zoo pet? How did they get it? Do they lost it? They put the pet in a pet zoo? What happens? Or did? In this book, Greg's family gets a pig. So how do they get rid of the pig? Do they keep it? My answer is yes. How do they lose it? You gotta see that. So how do they lost the pig? And the last thing I'm going to tell you, last but not the least, there was a bird sitting over the car. They were riding the car through, and there was a bird sitting over the branch. So Greg gave the bird some food. So he threw a chip over the bird, and he ate it. So when Greg was throwing another one, Greg's mom told that those birds are furious. If you give one food, they'll ask for more food. So what did the bird do? Of course, have you ever seen a car in London places, UK? It's really nice, you should visit it. In UK, you see cars like they have a window up, and if you open that, you can go through it and see the air, all the freshness, right? There's a window, right? But Greg's Frank's car also had that. So the bird managed to come over that into the car, and there was wings everywhere because birds fly a lot, right? They do fast, wings fly, right? So what will happen? That's how this happened, or what? Everything was mixed with the food, everything. How did they get rid of it? Do they keep that also? Or the Diary of Wimpy Kid book to see. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe this video, press the bell icon so that you cannot miss this video. And mainly, please like this video. Like it. It's over here. Like.